Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best dog food for border collies. They're available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the ORIJEN Amazing Grains Puppy Dry Dog Food. ORIJEN's philosophy is that our pets should eat ingredients that reflect the diet nature and evolution intended them to eat. This puppy formula contains 90% premium animal ingredients, including highly nutritious meat, organs, and bones. It's packed full of protein, calories, and healthy fats to fuel active and growing border puppies. Easily digestible grains, such as oat groats and millet, whole vegetables and fruits, and essential vitamins and minerals round out an all-natural, nutritious blend that's ideal for your puppy's development. Pet parents say their puppies love the taste. ORIJEN also carries a fantastic grain-free puppy formula, as well as large breed puppy formulas for border collies on the larger side. Moving on. At number 4, we have the Blue Buffalo Wilderness Rocky Mountain Recipe High-Protein Dry Puppy Food. A bit more budget-friendly than our top pick, this high-protein puppy chow is another excellent option for highly active and quickly growing border puppies. It contains ingredients carefully selected for whole body health and development. One of the things we like so much about Blue Buffalo formulas is the inclusion of their life source bits. These cold-formed kibble bites provide an added boost of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals for immune health. Entirely chicken-free, this formula features high-quality beef, venison, and lamb and healthy grains, such as oats, barley, and brown rice. It's also packed with superfoods, including carrots, blueberries, sweet potatoes, kelp, and more. At number 3, we have the Merrick Backcountry Grain-Free Dry Puppy Dog Food. This grain-free, high-protein puppy formula is specially formulated to help your busy little buddy maintain strong muscles and optimal energy levels. It features a kick of freeze-dried, raw-coated kibble, plus freeze-dried raw food that many puppies find irresistible. With real chicken, chicken liver, and salmon, it's full of high-quality animal protein. Sweet potatoes, and peas provide healthy, complex carbohydrate sources in place of grains. Finally, it's fortified with all the vitamins and minerals growing puppies need. At number 2, we have the ACANA Highest Protein Dry Dog Food. If you're looking for a grain-free kibble that's also entirely chicken-free, ACANA's Wild Atlantic freeze-dried coated formula is a fantastic nutrient-dense option crafted for sensitive stomachs or allergies. This protein-packed food boasts real fish as the first 5 ingredients and includes healthy complex carbs such as chickpeas, lentils, pinto beans, and peas. It's also full of nutritious, high-fiber fresh veggies and fruits, including whole pumpkin, collard greens, carrots, butternut squash, apples, and pears. And finally, at number 1, we have the ORIJEN Real Meat Shreds. ORIJEN's regional red stew wet dog food gets amazing reviews from pet parents. This high-protein canned food boasts an impressive 95% premium animal ingredients, including organ meats, to give your border collie plenty of fuel for her energy level and to maintain her lean muscle mass. Grain and gluten-free, this shredded stew contains real beef, lamb, duck, sardines, and superfoods, including blueberries, broccoli, carrots, pumpkin, and more. Many pup owners pair it with ORIJEN's regional red Amazing Grains dry dog food. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.